It was a long time coming, but Figma recently announced a bunch of exciting features, and one of them is their new slide deck feature, or slide deck period. So you can find it whenever you open a new tab in Figma, and you can click here on new slide deck. Let me show you the basics. So there are templates here. You can scroll through the templates, select one. Let's select this one, view template. We can select use template. Here is your presentation. You can very easily change the text, or like you would in Figma, duplicate elements, change elements. You can very easily create fills with gradients or solid colors. You can adjust the color palette by clicking here, I believe. Yes, here you can adjust the color palette. You can add new slides from the templates. So let's add this one, for example. You can add images or videos, which is also amazing and very helpful for presentations, GIFs, etc. And another very cool feature is that now you can also rewrite text with AI, or adjust the tone of text with AI. So you just select any text, and then you can click on this AI button, adjust tone. Let's select professional and expanded. It's adjusting the tone right now, and as you can see, it just rewrote my text in like a few seconds. You can change the fonts here as well, of course, and the different text styles are already preset. Very helpful. Also, there are presenter notes here, and whenever you go to present, you can choose to present plus see your notes. So you click here. This is the window that you share with your audience, while this is the window that you see for yourself with your slides. I mean, with your notes. And if you want to edit the presentation, you just go back to your tab where you were editing the presentation. Very easy. I will definitely be using Figma slides from now on. This is a game changer. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Bye!